The chance that we have with a satellite is to offer you the capacity to continue to communicate with your team on the non-coverage, terrestrial non-coverage zone, because the communication coming from the satellite. And the other one is also where on the network you can have a saturation. A good example that I had is a football match where you have a lot of people and everybody send the videos and blah blah, but you cannot use your LTE network to communicate with your troops, with the security peoples. That means with the satellite you arrive with a large coverage and you offer a full coverage to the people and communication. That's probably the most important moment or environment where the Satcom, in case of Tactilon Agnet, can offer the extension of the terrestrial network. The benefits of the end users is actually when you look at the configurations of countries. Everywhere in the world, you have mountains, you have sea, you have borders, you have cities, you have a lot of things. And terrestrial operators are developed the network where you have a lot of people in the cities or around the cities and things like that. But for the customer, for us customers, they need to cover and to protect everybody on all the superficie of the countries where they are. Plus, if we have the sea, they have also to cover and to secure the sea place. And for that, which network can offer them the best extension? Today is a satellite. Actually is a satellite. Maybe tomorrow there is another one, but actually is a satellite. And what we have done and collaborate with Secure Land Communication is to think how the users can continue to use their Tactilon Agnet apps under the satellite coverage with no modification for them. The only modification, if I can say, if it's a modification, is the network. That means on the top of the screen you don't have the LTE design, but you have a satellite design. That's the only thing changed. And like that, customers and users can continue to use Agnet services under the satellite network without problem.